In this video, I'm going to show you 7 stretching exercises you can perform every morning to help you get more energized, more limber, and more mobile for the day ahead. All right, let's get to it. The first stretch we're going to do is the hamstring stretch. You sit up, get your legs straight ahead, bring your arms out, and you lean forward. And we're just going to hold this. Now, as you're holding, you may notice there's some tightness in your back as well, and this is a good thing. We're stretching the hamstrings as well as the back. And as we keep going, you can go further and further. You want to feel a stretch. You want to feel some discomfort, but not a lot. Think about a pain threshold. You want to knock on the door of pain while you're stretching. You don't want to push through it. Good. Okay, let's come back. We'll do that one more time. As you notice, as we're stretching forward, I'm coming a little further and further. Now just do this to your tolerance, and by the time you're done with this, you'll notice increased flexibility. Next, let's move our shoulders around. Okay, we're gonna go up and back. Up and back. And if you're having difficulty sitting in this position as you're doing it, you can do some cross-leg position as well. Doing this exercise is going to help loosen your shoulders as well as your neck and mid-back. Okay, good. Next, take your hands, clasp them together, and lean forward. There you go. You're feeling that nice stretch in the back, the mid-back, the upper neck, the shoulder blades. And you just gotta hold that. Good. Release. Do it again. Remember to breathe when you do this. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Going to take one leg, bring it over, and pull. Okay. Try to sit up straight for this as well. Here you're getting a nice stretch in the glutes, as well as the IT band, the tensor fasciae latae, all those side muscles that tighten up throughout the night. And hold. Good, let's do that one more time. Come over and hold. Now, it's good to hold up to 30 seconds. If you want to do it a little less, that's fine. A little more, that's fine. But 30 seconds is the sweet spot. Okay, let's switch sides now. And here we go. One more. If you're able to balance yourself better, you can put over pressure with both hands. Bend your knees, bring your knees together, and bring them to one side. Get that really nice pull in the low back. You can then add by bringing your arms up and over the other way to get even a stronger stretch in the mid to upper back. Yeah, this feels really good. And let's switch sides. If it's too much of a stretch, just bring your arms back down and you'll feel it in your low back and a little lighter of a stretch. But I'm going to bring my arms like this because it feels really good. It even stretches out the shoulder. You're getting a full body stretch here. Okay, good. Let's do that one more time. And switch sides. Okay, we'll get onto our side. Prop your head up if you like. Take your arm. Pull back. There we go. Getting a nice stretch right where the quads meet and the hip flexors. This is also a great time to think about the day ahead, what you plan to do, what are your goals. It's also a great time to just breathe easily. Okay. I'm going to switch sides. Okay, great. And the last one, we get onto your stomach and we press up. It's a great exercise for the low back. We'll stretch that out. When you're up here, if you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, you'll get an even greater stretch in the low back. So let's try that. Breathe in and out. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in and out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and share it with someone who can benefit from this video. Also, if you have any other comments for future videos, post them below because I read every single one. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.